Friends, as you know that this is a placement time, and in this time there are so many companies which are coming in college and they are recruiting the students. As you know that generally it happens that we are applying for many companies, and this is the generally this happens that when you try in any company that sometimes you fail to just get a chance to serve in that company, and generally it happens because there are so many process. First is that they will shortlist our resume, and then they will invite us for the test, and after that job interview will happen, and at the end then we will get the job in any company. There are so many process which happens during the resume shortlisting. For example, they are having some another criteria. For example, they are searching that if you are having good CGPA, then you will they will prefer you, but if you don't have good CGPA, then they cannot prefer you. And there's another things also. For example, there are so many companies who are just only seeing your skill set, how many skill set you have, how many good qualities you have about your skills, and according to that skills they try to shortlist your resume, and then they give you chance to for the test, and then they will shortlist. But generally it happens that there are so many companies which generally shortlist your resume without any taking it much more attention, but they try to shortlist you, try to judge your qualities in the test stage. If you're performing well in the test, you will get chance to go further, otherwise you will not get chance to go further. So this is the process that happens. But generally it happens that when you try in many companies, then fortunately you get chance to be selected in one company. So it's very tough. Process is easy, but generally to get chance it is looking very difficult, and it is not easy to get the chance. And in this yesterday I was seeing one newspaper, and I got to know from the friends that in this time the number of students who got the job are very less, approximately 200 or approximately. So, and I also talked to one of my friends, and he was also saying the same things that statistics here is not so much good. So I was thinking that in this time the students who are not getting job, it is really panic, and there are so many students who are preferring PhD as a option B, and some students are saying that we will try to go for the teaching. So there are so many things which is searched by these students. But I think that if we are investing so much money and not getting what we expected, then definitely this will um, make us disappointment, and generally it happens with everyone's life. So I think we should try to accept this, that definitely we would have sometime some weakness. And this is also one thing that in this time there are sufficient number of workers in company has. So this is also one thing that they are also not recruiting, or they are recruiting only the students who are high talented, they are not average type of talented. So this is also something which generally affect during the recruitment process. So this was the things I wanted to say. Thank you, friends.